In this channel, we provide in-depth knowledge of programming languages which differentiate you with others. From last Saturday, we had started one series on interview questions. Last Saturday, I had decided to post one series per week, but I got lot of messages and phone calls from the student. Sir, please post daily, but it is not possible for me to post daily interview question, so I decided twice a week. So from now I will post two interview questions. First one is on Saturday and second one is on Tuesday. For continuing this series, we will start today questions. Question number 1 is it true that a global variable may have several declarations but only one definition? The answer to this question will be yes. We can redeclare a global variable n number of times, but we can define it only once. The answer to this question is yes. Next question comes from pointer. What would be the equivalent pointer expression for referring the array's element ARR, I, J, K, L? So by seeing this ARR, I, J, K, L, what we can say, this ARR is nothing but a 4-dimensional array. This ARR is a name of the array. Name of the array is a pointer pointing to the 0th element of the array. In 4-dimensional array, 0th element is a 3-dimensional array. So name of the array is not a pointer to an integer. Name of the array is a pointer to a 3-dimensional array. Now I will discuss this ARR, I, J, K, L and how it is converted into pointers in the pointer class in the coming days. But for now, I will give a simple trick through which you can convert this subscript notation to the pointer notation. You just count the column 1, 2, 3, 4, put 4 star, asterisk, 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 then name of the array plus I, J, K, L. Simple funda. ARR is a name of the array. Name of the array is a pointer pointing to the 0th element of the array. So here ARR is a 4-dimension array, pointer pointing to the 3-dimension array. Okay. Next question. Can we use a switch case on string? Answer will be no. Why? As we have already discussed in some classes that in switch case you can have only integer constant and character constant. So answer to this question will be no. The case in a switch case either have integer constant or a character constant. Next question. In which case order do the relational, arithmetic, logical and assignment operator gets evaluated in C? So evaluation of these operators depend upon the priority or precedence. The operators which are enjoying the higher priority or precedence will be solved before the operators enjoying the lower priority. If two operators are enjoying the same priority, then associativity comes into scene. Either it may be right to left or left to right. So according to the priority, if in an expression we are having these 4 operators, first arithmetic will be solved, second relational will be solved, third logical will be solved, and at the last assignment operator will be solved. So in this manner, arithmetic, relational, logical and assignment operator will be evaluated. Now what is the type of variable b in the following declaration? Next question. What is the type of the variable b in the following declaration? Hash define, float ptr, float asterisk. Now what is hash define here? Hash define is a preprocessor directive, or it is also known as macro. Hash define float ptr. This float ptr is what? This float ptr is nothing but a macro which is expanded at the time of compilation. As we have already discussed in Turbo C++ video, you can go and watch that video. This float ptr, float asterisk will convert it into float ptr a comma b. It will be converted into float asterisk a comma b. So float, what is a here? A is a pointer to a float, whereas b is simple float variable. The float and a pointer to a float, since on expansion the declaration becomes float asterisk a comma b. These are very important questions which help you out to crack any technical interview in C and C++. So keep writing these questions. Next question, in which header file is the null macro defined? What is null? Null is a macro whose value is 0. In files stdio.h and stddef.h, in these two files this null macro is defined. In which form are the next question, in which form are the library functions provided? Library functions are never provided in source code form. They are always made available in the object code form obtained after compilation. So library function never comes in the form of source code. They always come in a compiled form. Like printf, scanf all are library functions. You will never get the source code of printf and scanf or clr, scr or getch. You will only get the object code. Linker links the function call with the function definition whenever a function called in a C program. Next question, what will be the output of this program? Int a comma b, a equal to -3 -3, b equal to -3 -3. The output of this program will be this first minus will be converted into +3. So -3 +3, a will be assigned with a value 0. Here first this minus will be plus minus will be minus, and minus will be plus. So -3 answer will be -6. The output of this program will be a equal to 0 and b equal to -6. Thank you very much. Try to learn all this question carefully, and if you are having any doubt you can write in the comment section. I will try to reply in 24 hours. Most probably next Saturday we will come with more questions that help you to crack the interviews in C and C++. Thank you very much. Have a good day.